नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 27th April 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for the next trading session for Nifty, review my today's trade and share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into analogy, let's have a very quick look into global market. So as of now, when we see S&P 500 is in red, and interesting observation what I'm having is that S&P 500 from past last two trading session is not able to close above 4193. So yesterday's high is intact. So this will now become a good resistance maybe for S&P 500. So we have to look out how this is getting developed in the next coming trading session. And the reason behind that could be that the US government bond 10-year yield is rising from last 3 days, and today the bar is little bit more green and more stronger than last two bars. So now the US dollar index has started going up today. So this is also not a good sign for emerging market. So overall, for tomorrow's trading session, the global trends are looking quite weak. Now let's get into our Lalaji. I'm sorry. So Lalaji had a fantastic day today. But before we review our trade, let's get into tomorrow. So now first let's get into moving average. So when we look into weekly basis, Lalaji has closed today about 20 bar moving average. Now it's just below 8 and now it's already above 50 and 200. So on weekly, Lalaji is now officially close above weekly pivot of 14,500 and also above weekly H3, which is 14,572. So Lalaji is now in absolutely bullish trend on weekly basis. On daily chart, Lalaji has closed below 50, above 20, above 8, and now it is above 200. So on daily basis also, Lalaji is now in uptrend. And now we have a strong resistance at 14,800. If 14,800 is broken, then the next level could be 14. Next resistance, which is a monthly H3, will be at 14,986. So now these two are the crucial level on the upside. And on bottom, I don't think so. We need to worry at this point of time. But 14,570 is now will start acting, and weekly H3 will now start acting as a strong support, which is also 20 bar moving average, which is at 14,582. Now on 15-minute chart, Lalaji is closed above 8, above 20, above 50 and above 200. So on 15-minute chart, the trend is also up. So on moving average, we can clearly say that Lalaji is in uptrend. Now let's see what market profile is telling us. So when we look into our CPR, now tomorrow's CPR is well above today's CPR. So this is a bullish behavior, and today market is also close above its CPR. So this is also a bullish sign. So this also confirms that market is in uptrend. So I will give the local market more importance at this point of time, and we'll see how the US is reacting till the morning. And my plan will be to go on buy on dip. Now for tomorrow, the pivot is at 14,602, which is closer to 20 bar moving average on 15-minute chart. And Camarilla L3 is also 15,603. So 15,600 now becomes a very strong support for market for tomorrow. So tomorrow 15,600 is an area where I'll look forward for a buy on dip. Currently the SGX is at 14. Let's see, SGX is at 14,659. So somewhere just closer to hovering over high and low, somewhere here. So any dip towards pivot 15,602 is my strategy, buy on dip, for a target of 14,800. Now, for any reason, if the market is opening below pivot, that is 14,601, then in that scenario, I will go for a sell on rise at pivot. But I don't think so. Let's see how it happens. So these two opening scenario are important. Another thing which I want to keep in my target is 15-minute breakout. So I need to give a special importance to this. Why? Because let's see what happened today for me. So for today, the market, my trade plan was to buy at pivot, which was 14,4888. Market opened up as per my trade, one of the option which was above pivot and my expectation, and then it had a trend day. Today was a perfect setup for a trend day. We had a pivot CPR which has a very narrow range. Yesterday there was a clear signal that market is bulls are coming back, and today it opened above pivot and then had a small decline, and then we had a full stretch trend day which moved to almost closer to R3, between R2 and R3. What I did, I got stuck. I didn't do any trade today on this 15-minute breakout because my trade plan was that I was expecting it will come up. Then I was expecting for a dip, and at dip I wanted to enter. And since from here it never entered, I had a thought of entering here, but I just stopped myself, and then it touched R1. And another strategy or theory which got proved today was, as soon as it crossed today's range, this was another area where entry was possible, because this is today's H4. So as per guru says, if the market is growing above H4, that's why it's green sign, is an entry, and also above the range. So this was a very strong support. So no trade today, means a big trend day, but what's the learning? So my learning is that entry, there will be always an entry risk when you enter any trade. Okay, but if it's coming in your setup or in your setup, what will help is if I play with the minimum 2 units or two quantity, multiple of two lot. So what happens that once you enter at one level, so I would have taken 15 breakout here. In any scenario, if market is coming down, then the second lot I could have entered here or somewhere also at L3, because I was pretty sure that market is bulls are coming back. And so multiple of two will make sense. So that is what I'm going to do for tomorrow. I'm going to start playing with multiple of two, first entry and then the second entry, to manage entry risk and also the trade. And similarly, I will exit one at R1 and second lot at R2, or maybe at R2 or then R3, something like that. So two, if you're playing in the multiple of two lot, it will give you lots of flexibility. It will give me lots of flexibility to manage my trade and manage my entry risk. So that's my learning. So tell me guys, what do you think about it? I hope you guys had a wonderful day. Welcome to all my new followers. And things are getting warmer out here, so stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.